How to use button blocks in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to your site and then from in there click onto this edit site option. It should be able to look like this. Now locate the part wherein you want to add that button. So I want to add it right here, so let's head over and click onto this add block option that will appear right there. Now you can search for button or you can also just click on this. So on my case, let me head over and drag and drop it into this part right here. Now this is what it looks like. Let's change its design. You can do so by clicking onto this icon right there, going over to the design, and changing right here the fills. So let's head over and choose in here the button styles and change it from there. So in here, you can add some button packs and edit it all together. For example, let's provide in here some padding as well as some fonts that you wish to use. You can expand them and make them bigger based on this. And you can also add some shapes and the likes. Now, once that's been created, you can actually use it in order to redirect some users from your site to another part of your website as well. To do that, head over and click on the button again. And then from in there, you can actually double click it if you want. And in here, you can change the text. So for example, put in here, no more. Click on this attached link and input right here the link. You can choose in here a page of your site, or you can also input an external link or add in here some files as well. So it's totally up to you. So that's all there is today and hope this video helped you out.